I guess we should cut the crease now. I'm scared. Jesus, take the wheel. I really thought I was gonna do better than this, and we thought wrong. Okay. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Leah Toshia. Hey girl, hey. Today I attempted a cut crease and I think it turned out pretty good for someone who doesn't know what the f they're doing. I have seen cut crease videos on YouTube before, but whenever I'm watching YouTube, I'm not really fully paying attention. I'm usually like cleaning or getting ready for bed or doing my makeup. I'm not usually like paying attention and taking notes and like really focused. So I just attempted it today and I think it turned out pretty good. Is it perfect? Most definitely not. I think it's wearable. I would go out like this. I'm about to take pictures in this makeup for the gram. So if I can accomplish this, anyone can. If you want to see me create this eye look, then just keep watching. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so we're gonna try to do this to the best of our abilities. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm taking the Fenty concealer just to prime my eyelids. Perfect. I did not bring a brush to set my eyelids. Love that for me. Beauty blender it is. Eyelids are set. I think I'm gonna start with like a yellow color. Hopefully that isn't ugly. We're just gonna put this in the crease, kind of all over though because it's such a light color. Don't you just love that? I don't know where that came from, but it's not welcome here. Good enough. I think I'm gonna take this color right here. Then I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe brush we used with the yellow, just to make sure everything is blended. I feel like I'm doing this wrong because whenever I watch these cut crease videos, it takes them a lot longer to do this and I'm just like flying through it. So that makes me feel like it's wrong. I think I'm gonna go back to my Cute AF palette and go in with this darker orange over here. I don't know. We apply, then we blend, and then apply, and then blend. Someone says that. I want to say it's Jaclyn Hill, but I don't really watch her stuff anymore because she doesn't post shit anymore. But I'm pretty sure she would like pack it on, blend it out. Pack it on, blend it out until she gets it where she wants it. Or was that Nicole Guerrero? I feel like with a cut crease, it always looks crazy before it looks good, right? The game's not over yet. We can still win this thing. God, I hope. Now I'm gonna take the same brush that I took the orange on and I'm gonna go into this middle brown shade here and I'm just gonna layer it on top of the orange. I'm totally making this up as I go. We just changed gears here. So I was gonna put it exactly over the orange, but now I'm just gonna put it all over the outer corner. I hate myself. Okay. And then going back to this little It Cosmetics brush. Blend until your eyelids are raw. I feel like I need an even smaller, more precise brush, but that's all the way in the other room. So no, we're not doing that. I'm trying to do it in like a V, in like a wing shape, but it just never works out for me that way, you know? Also, I'll probably end up finishing this eye off camera and just come back with both eyes done because this is taking longer than I anticipated. And I feel like my videos lately have been long and people aren't watching them, which, I mean, I get it because not everyone likes long videos. I personally love when my favorite YouTubers have long videos. It's my favorite. When I see like an 8-minute video, I'm pissed because then while I'm getting ready, I have to find another video to watch in 8 minutes. Like I want a 30-minute video. I love a long video. But y'all let me know if you like long or short videos. I feel like because I'm like new at this, no one wants a long video. But y'all let me know because I don't know. I feel like it's not blending out. Look at that, it looks patchy as fuck. Why does the universe hate me? Every makeup artist on earth is cringing right now. I don't really know how to fix this at this point. I don't know. I don't know. We're still in this thing, girl. We can do this. I hope this turns out okay because I was legit gonna take some Instagram pictures, makeup on fucking point, but it's not on point, so. But you know what? As far as pictures go, that's what Facetune is for. You can fix anything on Facetune. I can smooth it out. I can blend on Facetune. If this looks patchy in the pictures, Facetune. It's looking very questionable on camera. I guess we should cut the crease now. I'm scared. I really thought I was gonna do better than this, and we thought wrong. It is what it is. I think I'm just gonna freehand it. I'm taking this little flat brush that I don't know where it came from. Oh my God. I'm so scared. I shouldn't be so close. I feel like I'm holding my breath. This is harder than lip liner. I don't know what's more stressful, this or winged liner, which I was also gonna do winged liner on top of this. Okay, okay. Can I also point out, I don't actually know where I'm supposed to draw the line. I'm assuming in the crease because it's a cut crease, but I don't know if it's too high or if it's too low, if the shape is wrong. This is looking like an absolute fail. But again, it's looking way different in the monitor than it's looking in my mirror. In my mirror, it doesn't look that bad, but when I look in the monitor, I'm like, baby, no, she tried. Okay. Now I believe we're supposed to set this part. I'm scared. And then I have to blend out this part. Okay. Kinda. Okay, it's nothing that some lashes and winged liner can't fix, right? Okay, so this is the eyeshadow as done as it's gonna get. Yeah, I did my best, you guys. I feel like it's not that bad considering I didn't do the winged liner yet. I don't have lashes on, my brows aren't done, and my face isn't done. Just looking at the eyeshadow, it looks a little crazy right now, but I think once I, you know, put it all together, it's gonna look a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, put some wing liner on, put some lashes on, finish the face, and then I'll come back on camera and show you guys the final result. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm back with a full face on. Like I said, I think once you put on liner and lashes, you can make any eyeshadow look work. Like, even if it doesn't look that great at first, a pair of lashes and a winged liner will fix anything. And then just throw on a lip to distract if it looks that bad. Here's what it looks like from this point of view. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I think maybe I was making it a lot harder than it actually is. I feel like all you have to do is do your eyeshadow as normal. I think that's the part that was tripping me up. I was like, I have to do my eyeshadow differently for a cut crease. But I think what it is you just kind of do your eyeshadow the same. Like, you build up the crease, you darken the outer corner, and then you just cut the crease and bada boom, bada bing. The lashes that I put on are the Eyelure Luxe Silk, and I don't know if it's Marquis or Marquise, but this is the box that it came in. I got these from Target. I love them. They're giving me like Lily Lashes vibes without the Lily Lash price tag. And then for the lip, I just put on this Superstay Maybelline Matte Ink in Dancer. I hope that by me doing a cut crease and I have no clue what I'm doing and it turning out pretty good encourages you guys to try it yourself. It's not so bad. It just seems bad at first, but it's really not, you know, it's all good. If I can do it, literally anyone can do it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow your girl on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights.
Sold out of lies, oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine,